In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a beautiful golden glow effect in CapCut with just a few simple adjustments. Let's get started. First, import your photo or video and place it on the timeline. Go to Effects, then Retro, and find Retro Blue. Drag and drop it onto your video. On the right panel, set Blur to 100, Filter to 0, Glow to 100, and Sharpen to 63. Click the star icon in the top left corner of the timeline. Select Adjustment and scroll down. For the color adjustments, set temperature to 30. Tint to 7. And saturation to 11. For the lightness adjustments, set exposure to 11. Contrast to 11. Highlights to 11. And shadows to 7. These settings will give your video a beautiful, warm, golden glow with a cinematic feel. And that's it. With just a few quick tweaks, you can create a glowing cinematic effect in CapCut. Try it out and let me know what you think. See you in the next tutorial.